As with any investment, there are the pros and the cons, and with the Facebook frenzy, there are quite a few of them to consider.
Well, you called it a Facebook frenzy, and I think that's exactly what we're talking about today. I've got Adrian Larson here with Pathlight Investors. Adrian, do you expect a frenzy? How nuts is today?
This is the most anticipated IPO of all time at this point in time. And I think with 900 million users of Facebook, you're going to get a massive amount of attention, a massive frenzy when it opens for trading. The question is it the right time to buy it?
Everybody feels personally connected to this stock because they're on Facebook. They're using Facebook.
Absolutely.
Should people buy? Should they not buy? And if they do buy, what should they know?
You know, at the end of the day, 99.9% of the people out there were not able to get in on the offering price of $38.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a long-term investment if you want to invest in this company. There's no reason to step in on this first day. You have had success on first-day pops in things like LinkedIn, in things like Angie's List, but you also look at companies like Groupon and Zynga that are trading below their IPO price today. So it is a kind of a coin toss. Facebook is quite different than, I think, those bottom-tier companies, but at the end of the day, you still take a risk when you have this hysteria and this frenzy coming into it.
$100 billion. Is it really worth more than companies like eBay, like Disney?
Well, you think about it, you know, it's all about growth and what they can put up, right?
The potential.
They grew revenues 88% last year. They grew earnings 65% last year, right? So this is, and actually it's a maturing company. They have $1 billion in earnings, so it's not like a dot-com back in the 90s. Right. You know, Amazon.com's trading over at 100 times earnings. So if this company can grow into that valuation, then yes, it can work out. And I think they have a way to monetize it as you go forward, but this is going to be a long-term story.
We'll have to watch and see. Going to be a long-term investment if you do in fact decide to buy today. Adrian here saying probably not the brightest idea. You may want to wait a couple of days.
And check with suitability. Everybody has to make sure it's suitable to their own investment style. If it's a speculative piece of your portfolio, that's great. Don't make it the core holding of your portfolio.
That's good advice. Adrian Larson, thank you so much. We appreciate you joining us this morning.
Thanks.
Connie, you know, it's one of those things. Every investment is a risk. No question about that.
They're all a gamble. It's just how much you want to play. All right.